ThermoPlus has been manufacturing exceptional heat pumps since 1992. Our units are designed for advanced customization by installers, which allows for greater heating efficiency and performance. Our technology development and design teams are kept in-house. This ensures our lab's experimental innovations are thoroughly tested. Superb quality materials are sourced mostly from European component suppliers, and the units are assembled in our Slovenian assembly plant. Experienced technicians ensure assembly is finished at the absolute highest standard, guaranteeing a product that will perform optimally for many years to come. Our master technicians traditionally pass their accumulated experience down to younger technicians, while cutting-edge manufacturing techniques are introduced by our research labs. Each component undergoes multiple individual tests before assembly, and every assembled unit is thoroughly tested and calibrated to exceed our performance thresholds. More than 50,000 thrilled ThermoPlus heat pump owners in 21 countries keep us going while we take pride in making them happier day by day.